Hey everybody, Britton from Percy here. I'm just making a quick video to show you the newest feature that we've just launched a week ago now. This is rank tracking. You're going to see this automatically when you log into Percy the next time on your dashboard. Um, uh, I'm very excited about this personally. This was requested by a lot of folks, especially anyone who's doing PPC. They really want to be able to do this. Um, Basically, this is a new feature that will let you track the daily organic rank of all the keywords in your listing. You're going to see this column here called rank tracking. It toggles on or off, so you can turn rank tracking on or off for any of your listings, and you'll also see this average rank column, and I'll explain that in a second. Basically, up until now, Percy has helped you create your listing. So you can do your keyword research with Keyword Wizard. You can generate all the copy for your listing with the listing generator, and you can also audit the results and check for things like restricted keywords or formatting and length. Now, Percy can help you track the progress of your keywords daily, weekly, monthly after that. So anytime you go into Percy, you can quickly come to your dashboard and get a really good idea of how your ASINs are performing on the new keywords that you're trying to track on. I think this is very cool, and I'm excited to see what you think of it. I'll just go into a bit of a detail of how to turn it on and how it all works. So this rank tracking column turns tracking on or off. And here's where you'll see either the results of this tracking average rank. There's also a detail page I'll go into in a second. But if you need to do anything else to enable tracking, this is where you're going to find out what it is. So, for instance, if you didn't add an ASIN to your listing, by the way, we've just added an ASIN input into the listing generator. So as long as you have an ASIN, just put that in when you make your listing, and the rest will be taken care of. If you don't have an ASIN, though, you'll see this little button, and you can click it, and you'll get this window to add your ASIN right here. Or alternatively, if you didn't put any keywords into your listing, shame on you, first of all. But if that's the case, then you'll see this. Percy will say, hey, you need to add some keywords to your listing. So as long as those two things are in, you're going to see a column sort of like this. So this is the average rank column. And this is tracking the top 10 keywords by default for your listing. So you can notch that up or down if you want to track more or less. But by default, when you turn tracking on, Percy will track the top 10 keywords in your keyword list. So those are mostly the ones in your title and your first bullets. And this number, average rank, is the average of all the ranks for those keywords. You can see sort of a simple line graph that shows the basic progress of these keywords over time. You're going to see a change number here that tells you what the difference is in whatever time series you want. So if you want to look at yesterday, you can look at yesterday. I'm not sure if it's been tracking long enough for last week to even, okay, last week, yeah. So you can choose the time series you want to look back on. And then finally, you can click into the SEO detail page, I might call it, on any of these listings. So if I wanted to see the keyword by keyword breakdown for, say, this shower curtain, I can click here and I can go into detail on each of these keywords. So as I said, by default, 10 of these are tracking. You can see the phrase here. You can see the search volume for each of these keywords, and you can see the current rank. And then here's a day-by-day breakdown. This is really cool. So you can go into each keyword and you can see day by day how did the rank of that keyword change. We actually had dummy keywords in up until yesterday, which is why all of these weren't ranking until today. So actually, this is a good thing to point out. If the keyword isn't indexing at all, you're going to see this X, which that's even helpful to know that I'm not even yet registering for this keyword on Amazon. Up till 400, any rank above 400 look, not that like 300 to 400 there's this massive gap, but it's helpful to know when you start to climb up. Um, Anything above that, you're going to start to register in Perci. And so you can actually see day by day, if there's a huge keyword change, say some big keyword of yours suddenly tanks, you might see sales drop, and that can help you understand what's happening. Or if you see some sudden traffic spike, now you can go in and check the keywords and see, oh, this one keyword or these two maybe seasonal keywords trended up. I gained a lot of rank in that keyword, and that explains why I'm getting all this traffic now. So this can be a really helpful way to check listings, especially if you want to see the result of something, or even to understand if you should change your keywords. So this is really cool. I'm excited to see what you all make of this. I think that's really it. One other thing I should mention is how this works with plans. Um, so rank tracking is on for all plans. Every plan has it. Um, Basically, there's just different limits that go for each plan. We've got some initial limits for starter, pro, and business. They're going to get more generous, so I won't even go into the details because by the time you're watching this, um, they've probably expanded in the limits. So that's how that works. Uh, if you do hit a limit, Percy will let you know and say, hey, you've tracked enough keywords. You might want to disable an old listing or knock back some keywords in another ASIN so that you have more keywords available. Regardless, I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to see what you think. As I mentioned, we just shipped this about a week ago, so shoot me a note, put a chat out here on the website, and let me know what you think or if you have any comments. And thanks for watching. I'll chat to you soon.